This graph here shows
Quality control check. Ensure the cuts meet the weight specifications shown on the chart.
Bring it in slowly, watch the left side. Okay, confirmed. We need the next pallet ready for container 3.
We're particularly proud of the tanning process on this white sheep leather.
It is truly exceptional quality.
Thank you. Let me show you the stitching detail.
If we reroute the jackets through Section 3, we can improve flow by 10%.
All right, let's implement that change and watch the metrics closely. Okay, bring that one forward to the third row. Make sure the labels match the manifest.
Our Q3 sales for the White Sheep line are up 20% globally, with APAC leading the growth.
How are we scaling production to meet that demand?
Look at the way the light hits the texture on the monitor. That's the key selling point for the new demographic.
Okay, let's focus the campaign around that aesthetic.
Yeah, be careful with those. They're the premium white sheep.
Got it, stacking them now.
Confirmed on the manifest.
The stitching looks very clean here.
Yes, we are using the new reinforced thread on the sleeves.
Pallet 74 is secure. Make sure the manifest is signed off.
As you can see, the thickness is completely uniform across the hide.
Impressive consistency. We can start cutting the samples.
In halves. Our sustainable tanning process ensures the leather is both durable and incredibly soft.
How do you maintain the color without yellowing?
Yeah.
Ensure these are routed to Bay 4. And confirm the jacket count on that last pallet.
According to the schedule, this container is next. Get it loaded now.
This tanning process ensures maximum suppleness while retaining the fiber strength. Feel the quality.
It truly is remarkable work.
This data point here seems slightly off. We should adjust the description to match the texture.
Notice the stitching on this wallet. It's a saddle stitch, incredibly strong. The leather itself.
Is our premium selection?
Manifest confirms 1,000 units of white sheep leather goods. Clear for loading.
We're particularly proud of the tanning process on this white sheep leather.
It is truly exceptional quality.
Thank you. Let me show you the stitching detail.
The tensile strength on this sheepskin is remarkable, far exceeding the industry standard for this weight.
It's incredibly soft.
If we reroute the jackets through Section 3, we can improve flow by 10%.
All right, let's implement that change and watch the metrics closely.
As you can see, the thickness is completely uniform across the hide.
Impressive consistency. We can start cutting the samples.
All right, team, Sequence Alpha is a go. Spotlights follow the models closely.